Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add postage on Vinted in 2026. So if you are listing an item and you want buyers to see the delivery options properly, setting the postage the right way is really very important. For that, first of all, log in into your Vinted account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the profile icon. Then you can click on the option of profile, or you can directly click on the option of sell an item. So what this is going to do is it is going to open your listings page in front of you. If you already have a listing, you need to come here on your profile and it will show you your existing listing over here. So you need to select your listing first. Afterwards, in the right hand section, simply click on the option of edit listing. So when you are on the listing page, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of shipping. So shipping is the section where you can basically add the postage. You will see a bunch of different delivery companies and the methods available for your country. So you need to add the postage. Simply turn on the shipping options that you want the buyers to use. So some are cheaper, some are faster. You can enable one or multiple options because Vinted will show you the buyers the prices automatically. So once you have selected the delivery method here, simply scroll down in the bottom, then click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner. So this way your listing will automatically include the postage and the buyers will see the delivery costs during the checkout. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.